wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best cupping sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the endiglow silicone is an ideal kit for beginners. The cups are designed to have the softest possible edges for the most comfortable use, including a reduction in the red spots they leave behind. This also reduces the depth of their therapeutic benefits though. You get 5 black and 5 white cups and a storage bag, but these work well only on flat skin. At number 6, the dosensepro therapy kit claims to have anti-aging properties like collagen improvements, skin toning and wrinkle reduction. Whether that's true or not, it includes a set of small cups that are well sized for facial applications and require no pump or heat to apply. You get 4 cups in 3 sizes and a velvet carrying bag. However, these are too small for use on most muscles. Coming in at number 5 on our list. While you may question some of the claims made about the yosoo Chinese set, such as its ability to reduce cellulite, it can be a useful tool as part of a therapeutic massage regimen. Its 12 transparent plastic cups and the included pump create a strong vacuum seal. It's great value for the price, and red valves provide a quick release. It comes with no English instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cupping sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Supreme 8 Therapy offers you 2 of each cup size at a budget-friendly price. The quality is good enough for home treatment to aid in injury rehabilitation or simple relaxation, and the self-suctioning silicone cups can also be used for gliding therapy with lubrication. It includes instructional videos and is suitable for facial use. However, the cups are difficult for small hands to squeeze. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For practitioners of the most traditional form of suction therapy, the AccuSupply 12-piece allows for the application of fire to its cups. The 4 varying sizes include textured finger grips and identifying labels molded into their thick glass walls. The heat helps ease muscle pain, and it comes with comprehensive instructions, but this one's not suitable for self-application. At number 2, this Lure Essentials Edge system includes 4 cups made of high-grade silicone that can create the necessary internal suction through pressure alone, so there's no need for heat or an external vacuum pump in order for them to work. They're safe and easy to use on yourself and come in varying sizes for targeted relief, along with an ebook guide. And taking the top spot on our list, the Korean hansol medical set is a top seller in its country of origin and is popular with therapists and masseuses in the United States as well. This kit comes with 19 cups in 5 different sizes, a hand pump with a flexible hose, and a carrying case. It's a top choice of Olympic athletes and includes removable pressure point stimulators. It's all easy to clean with alcohol. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cupping sets, or simply click beneath this video.